The episode opens with a glass cliffside villa where sunset pools melt into the Aegean, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship. A renowned yacht designer recalls a dawn sail through hidden coves, insisting only quality timbers and silence define true luxury. A fashion icon shares a bespoke wardrobe story from hand-stitched linen to limited edition bags and how texture elevates presence. An adventurer describes a private island transfer, crystal-clear reefs, and a private chef pairing truffles with ocean air. The host distills tips to experience luxury today: invest in time, curate moments, and trust recommendations from insiders.